Hey, the first time you power on the Samsung 65-inch Q7F, there's this instant snap, like the visuals finally match what your brain expects from every epic scene you've been waiting to watch. This is for the kind of person who's tired of washed-out color, muted contrast, and sound that feels shallow instead of present. You know when a display feels unfinished because you've sat through enough movies, games, and shows to recognize when something falls short. Before anything else, check the current price and stock so you know what's available right now. TVs this capable don't linger at predictable levels once people realize what they're missing. You probably knew it was time to upgrade after too many nights where shadows looked muddy, bright scenes looked flat, and motion felt like it was lagging behind what your eyes wanted. You kept hoping the next episode or next match would finally pop, until you realized your screen was the one doing the holding back. Swapping to this feels like gravity just stopped fighting you. The picture suddenly has depth instead of flatness. Quantum HDR pulls out detail you didn't know was there. Colors feel anchored and intentional instead of oversaturated or dull. Even fast motion flows smoothly because 4K at a natural cadence means what you see feels measured and real. In real life, this changes how you experience everything you put up on the screen. Movies feel cinematic because the darks have nuance and the brights have life. Games feel more immersive because details stay sharp, edges don't blur, and you actually see what's happening instead of guessing around it. Everyday shows feel richer because subtle detail finally carries through. The processor works quietly in the background so everything just looks right instead of strained. The performance you feel isn't about flashy specs, it's about confidence. It's the feeling that your screen finally keeps up with everything you throw at it instead of lagging behind expectations. Once you've lived with that solidity, anything weaker feels like you're just tolerating content instead of experiencing it. If you're even a little tempted, don't let random stock dips or price swings make the choice for you. Screens this capable get claimed quickly once people hear what they actually deliver. You might wonder if this is really worth it. That doubt dissolves the moment shadows hold detail and motion feels fluid instead of choppy. The AI enhancements don't shout, they just quietly make content look cleaner and closer to creator intent. Object Tracking Sound Lite gives audio direction without needing extra gear, so scenes feel connected instead of disjointed. One surprise benefit people don't expect right away is how natural everything feels. Not gimmicky. Not exaggerated. Just right, like the visuals are finally telling the story instead of merely showing it. Scenes feel deeper and more dimensional, motion gets smoother without blur, colors feel rich without oversaturation, audio feels connected to what you see, your whole viewing experience feels intentional, it needs thoughtful placement, and once you've seen this, flat visuals feel dull at some point, the comparison loop just ends. You stop bouncing between specs and choose the screen that already feels like the one you want to live with every day. If you've outgrown washed-out visuals, muted sound, and screens that don't keep up with modern content, don't let this be the upgrade you delay and regret later. Check availability now, decide with confidence, and let your entertainment finally match the way you want to experience every scene and moment.